Welcome to Bamlari Live and Bole Baba Ki Jai. I am Kapil. So today I am at the secret temple of Neem Karoli Baba, and you can see on my back that Bhandara is going on with the grace of Neem Karoli Baba and Narayan Baba. So for coming like 16 days, there will be continuous Bhandara, and people will come from all over Delhi and North India and many other places to visit this temple. And the beauty of Narayan Baba Maharaj is that he doesn't take money from anybody, Just you can't give money here, and Baba feeds like thousands of people, and I can show you how it is done. Can you see? So Baba feeds like 50,000 people in Navratras, and people, these are the chefs resting because they have been working since morning out here, and a lot of energy goes into it, and you can see a lot of food here. So the beauty of the whole thing is that you're not supposed to offer money here in this temple, and when you're not supposed to offer money, then how do you do it? Then you don't know how to do it, because in this modern world everything is like you purchase everything, But this is the magic of the whole place. This is the beauty of the whole place, that Narayan Baba is in my back watching me, and he just keeps sitting, and thousands of people come here to Maharajji's temple and have prasad and bhandara for 16 days. And no one offers money in this temple, so that is the beauty. And Narayan Baba says, I don't know how it is happening. It is the grace of Baba Neem Karoli Ji Maharaj, his guru, and my guru as well. So the beauty of the thing is that in this modern world we always go about money. And here is this man who doesn't want to get photographed, but I do have a permission to get him on camera. So the beauty of the whole thing is that how on earth can he feed so many people without taking money? But it's happening since like 1969, and for the like 50 years approximately, he's been living in this temple all alone and feeds so many people. So he is like working on the principle of what his Guru Maharaj said: love everyone, feed everyone. So once you visit this temple in Mehrauli, which is opposite like Kutub metro station, Andheriya Mode, picnic hut, then you do not to worry about what do you come with. Don't bring anything, just bring love to this temple, bring your devotion, service, and you can see the magic of this whole place is that Baba feeds like so many people. Can you see? It's like happening every year, 2 times a year. On the Navratras, thousands come, they eat food and they go. So it is something like magic happening, mystical things, magic, that no matter you don't offer any money to this temple, you come and you just have food. So it happens on its own. People volunteer, they come, they serve people, and they love people, and that is the beauty of Maharajji, feed people. So that tradition of Guru's words is kept alive with Narayan Baba, and I hope this carries on with the grace of Guru Maharaj Neem Karoli Ji. So stay tuned to Bamlari. Jai Baba Neem Karoli, Bole Baba Ki Jai.